What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I got some more deals from Harbor Freight for you. They just had their parking lot sale, so if you might have missed out on some of those, hopefully these new coupons you can take advantage of and get some decent deals. So this is going to go on from Monday, August 21st through Monday, September 4th. So let's go ahead and just dig right into the coupons. So first up, we got the air compressor starter kit. This is a 20-piece kit for $11.99. This was $15.99, 15% off on this one. You got a premium rubber air hose over here for $29.99. They got the 21-gallon McGraw 175 psi oil-free vertical compressor, $259.99. And then they got the Fortress 10-gallon over here that's also 175 psi. This is their ultra quiet for $269.99. Then at the very bottom here, another Fortress 5-gallon 225 psi, $289.99. This was $379, so $90 off on this one. Got the automotive section up next. Got some $2 funnels here. This is the 18-inch long neck. Next to that, we got the 15-pound capacity magnetic pickup tool for $4. This was $4.99, so you're only getting 99 cents off on this. Not a huge deal. We got some hose clamp assortments for $5, and then you got your trim and molding 5-piece set here for $5. Scroll down a little further, we got your multi-use transfer pump for $5.49. We got some cleaning towels, 12-pack for $7, and then they got the Pittsburgh Automotive plastic fastener kit, 240-piece kit here for $11.99. All the way to the right here, they got the high volume air inflator for $29.99. This is normally $39.99, so 25% off on that. And then here's the 6-ton Daytona ratcheting jack stands. They just had the 3-ton for $29.99 at the parking lot sale. But if you want the big boys, here's the 6-ton, $10 off on those. These are $69.99, available in 6 different colors. Next to that, we got the 10-ton portable hydraulic equipment kit, $189.99. And then here is another Daytona product. This is the 3-ton long reach low profile floor jack with rapid pump. You can get this in 4 different colors, $199.99, $40 off. All the way to the right here, you got the code reader for $274.99. Down here we got some bungee cords. It's a 12-piece set, sorted length for $6. You got the E-Track tie-down anchor for $6. And then we got the battery maintainer for $8. All the way to the right, got the 6,000-pound capacitor recovery strap for $12.99. And then at the bottom, we got the 12-volt magnetic LED towing light kit for $26.99. The Syntec jump starter. This is a nice jump starter here because it's got the air compressor built into it. $74.99 for this one. And then last but not least, for the automotive section, you got the 9,500-pound capacity winch. This is going to have the wire rope in it, $299.99. Next category is going to be generators and plumbing. Here's the 1/3 horsepower submersible utility pump for $82.99. Got the metal detector for $119.99. And you got the Predator 8 horsepower gas engine for $289. $10 off on that one. Not a huge savings. And then all the way to the right, we got the Predator semi-trash water pump. This is going to have the 212cc engine in it for $359.99. Scroll a little further down, we got the 13 horsepower 420cc gas engine by Predator for $389.99. And then they also have the full trash water pump the 301cc engine in it, $799.99. This one's going to have $100 off. Got some hand tools here. Got the high visibility socket adapter 4-piece for $3. 7-inch wire strippers for $3. These are nice pickups here. Got the Doyle 8-inch cutting pliers for $14.99. And then we got the heavy duty ratcheting crimper for $14.99. Some more Pittsburgh tools here. We got the ratcheting combination wrench set, 6-piece for $24.99. This was $29.99, so 16% off on that. And then next to that, we got the Pittsburgh 1/2-inch drive axle lock nut socket set for it's a 7-piece for $44.99. Nice discount on this, 25% off. This was $59.99. And then here is the Quinn Master Technician tool set. They had this at the parking lot sale. This is a 428 piece, $349.99 for this one, $80 off. I think it was a little bit cheaper at the parking lot sale, but still a pretty good pickup with $80 off on this one. Next up, we got the lighting and specialty category. Here we got the 144 lumen, a work light for $1, some super glue for $1, and then you got the heat shrink tubing assortment. It's a 9-piece for $1. This is pretty nice, 200 lumen super bright flip LED. You can mount this anywhere, it takes batteries, $2 for this one. You got the 36-inch pickup reach tool for $2. Get a roll of duct tape for $4. Got the TV wall mount for up to 42-inch TVs for $9.99. And then we got the 310 lumen headlamp by Braun for $9.99. To the bottom left here, we got the 1,000 lumen solar powered motion activated security light. I got a couple of these. These are real nice, $24.99. Here's the 845 lumen under hood work light by Braun for $24.99. Another good pickup. You guys working on your cars. Then over here they got the Icon 2100 lumen rechargeable magnetic under hood floodlight. A little better version of the hood light here. Also a different style, but this one's gonna be $79.99. A little bit more lumen output and better quality, but you're gonna pay a premium with that, with the price difference between the Braun and the Icon. Over here is the Braun 18,000 lumen work light for $99.99. This was $129. You got some material and safety category. So you got your masks here for 79 cents, some hardy gloves for $4, moving blankets $4.79. These are always nice to have. And then they got the vinyl gloves for $5. To the far left here, we got the Franklin 1,000-pound capacity wood dolly for $13.99. And then this is pretty nice, the Franklin 4-in-1 convertible hand truck, $169.99. This was $189. Here's the outdoor section. We got the 50-foot garden hose for $16.99. The 10-foot by 12-foot extreme duty weather-resistant tarp for $16.99. And then they got the 4-gallon backpack sprayer for $19.99. This was $29.99, so you're getting 33% off. All the way to the right here, you got the Greenwood 100-foot garden hose for $32.99. And then down to the bottom left here, we got the 12-foot by 20-foot all-purpose weather-resistant tarp for $49.99. And then if you're looking for something a little bit bigger, they got the 19-foot by 29-foot heavy-duty reflective all-purpose weather-resistant tarp for $54.99. Now onto the power tools. They had some pretty good deals at the parking lot sale. Let's see what they got going on here. So they got the 6-inch foam polishing pad for $7. This is a Bauer. They got the Warrior 12-volt. This is going to be the 12-volt 3/8-inch drill driver and flashlight kit for $18.99. Some light-duty tools there. They got the Bauer 7.5 amp half-inch speed hammer drill driver for $29.99. This is corded, of course, but not a bad deal on that. And then over here they got the Bauer corded 6.5 amp jigsaw with laser, $29.99. All right, guys, next up we got the Bauer 15 amp cut-off saw, $119.99 for this. This was $149, so you're saving $30. Next to that, we got the Bauer concrete pull saw for $249. And then over here, we got the Warrior flap disc, $199, 50% off. This was $399. And you can pick this up in different grits, 36, 60, 80, or 120 grit. All the way to the right here, we got the 18-gauge metal shears by Chicago Electric, $29.99. And then down here, we got the 8-amp belt sander by Bauer for $44.99. And then the Chicago Electric planer with a dust bag, $44.99 for this one. Got the Drill Master 11-amp fixed base router for $44.99. And then all the way to the right here, we got the Hercules 11-amp angle grinder, $54.99. This was $69.99, 21% off on that one. And then last but not least, for the tools, we got the Hercules 15-amp hammer, $399.99. This is going to have the maximum vibration control, which is nice. $100 off on this. Was $499.99. Onto some shop and garage stuff. We got the canvas drop top for $599. We got the Icon adjustable shop seat with tool storage. These are nice. $79.99, 20 bucks off on this one, was $9.99. And as you guys see here, you can get it in available in 4 different colors. Here we got the Central Machinery 30-inch pedestal shop fan, $99.99 for this. They also had this at the parking lot sale for the same price. So good deal on that, $60 off. And then over here they had the Pittsburgh 440-pound hoist, $99.99 for that. Only $14 saving on that one. And then last but not least for that category, you got the 5-gallon tire bead sealer, $119.99. 30 bucks off was $149.99. We got some storage category here. You got some socket rail, your choice, for 99 cents. You got the 15-inch tool bag for $6.99. And then this is nice. This is a storehouse wall-mounted parts bin. $15.99 for this one, was $24.99. Nice way to store your nuts and bolts. And then over here they got the Bauer heavy-duty job site backpack, $59.99, 14% off on that one. All right, and then last but not least, they got the U.S. General 72-inch by 22-inch triple bank top chest, available in 8 different colors, $899.99, 100 bucks off on this one. Move on to the welding and machinery. They got the spring clamps. These are nice. I got a few of these. $1 for that. They got the Bauer 6-inch bench grinder with LEDs for $39.99. They got the welding table here for $69.99. And then to the far right, they got the Central Machinery disc sander with the belt sander. So 2-in-1 sander here, $74.99. 11% off was $84.97. And then on the bottom left, we got the titanium TIG welder, $849.99, 50 bucks off. This was $8.99. All right, guys, so there's a quick run through of the coupons that Harbor Freight's got going on right now. Some pretty good deals there. Some better than others, but just in case you missed the parking lot sale, maybe you can pick up some of the deals with these current coupons that they got going on. Like I said in the beginning of the video, this is going to be going on Monday, August 21st through Monday, September 4th. So hopefully you guys will be able to take advantage of some of these good deals. Hopefully you found the video useful. If you did, smash the like button. You like what I'm doing on my channel and you like videos like this, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Until the next one, guys, I'll talk to you later.